If you want to change your Grammarly settings, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you want to customize the Grammarly widget, turn features on or off, or control how Grammarly starts up in your browser, you can do it all in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Now let's get into it. First, look at the top of your Chrome browser and click the Grammarly icon. This is usually the green circle or the letter G in your toolbar. Once you click it, a small drop-down menu will appear. From there, look in the top corner of that menu and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Grammarly keeps its main options and customization tools. After the Settings panel opens, select the Customization tab. This tab is where you can adjust how Grammarly behaves and appears while you use it. Inside this section, you'll see several options you can manage. You can toggle different features on or off, depending on what you want Grammarly to do. If you prefer a different look or workflow, you can also replace the widget from here. And if you want Grammarly to start automatically when you open your browser, you can enable launch on startup. This is really helpful if you use Grammarly often and want it ready as soon as you begin typing. Take a moment to review each setting carefully so you can tailor Grammarly to your exact preferences. Once you've made your changes, you can simply close the settings window and continue working. That's all it takes to change Grammarly settings in Chrome. It's quick, easy, and a great way to make the tool work better for your personal setup. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.